Hello everyone, this is Bailey with Twiddy and Company and your construction update on October the 23rd of the oceanfront home in Pine Island Reserve, ER002. It's going to be an 11-bedroom house right here in this brand new neighborhood, Pine Island Reserve. Let's take a look. Here we are on the 3rd floor deck, looking out over the ocean. You see great ocean views out here. On the top floor, level 3, where we'll have the kitchen and dining and living room. Sliding glass doors there, leading out to an oceanfront deck. Couple of big windows out looking over the ocean there. Still covered in plastic, so not exactly clear quite yet. See through this window and door here. More ocean views off of this porch. Another great feature to this house is the 3rd floor west side deck. That is going to give you some great views of the Sound right out there on the horizon and beautiful sunsets. Here's your ocean view from one of the 2nd floor decks. Pool right below. Still great views of the ocean. The theater room through that door will open up into this open space and lead right out the door here to the patio, private pool, and walkway to the ocean. Here's the view of the ocean from the dune line.